The deltoid ABCD is shown below. BC equals 1/3 of CD. The perimeter of the deltoid is equal to 24 centimeters. BD equals the square root of 77 minus the square root of 5. Calculate the area of the deltoid. Let's find the area of the deltoid. In a deltoid, the adjacent sides have equal lengths. The perimeter is the total length of all its sides. Use the given data to substitute and solve for side CD. Isolate DC to find its length. This length applies to both DC and AD. Now use this value to find side BC. This is also the length of both BC and AB. Draw the diagonals BD and AC. In a deltoid, these diagonals are at right angles to each other. Apply the Pythagorean theorem in triangle ECD. Substitute values and solve to find EB. The diagonal is the sum of its parts, EB plus BD. Make sure to open parentheses correctly. Substitute BD using the data provided. Remember, according to the Pythagorean theorem, the sum of the squares of perpendiculars equals the square of the hypotenuse. Open your parentheses correctly here. Collect all possible terms together. Isolate EB to proceed. Factor 5 as square root 5 times square root 5. Extract square root 5 from the parentheses. Simplify whatever you can. And here is the length of EB. Now use the Pythagorean theorem in triangle EBC. Substitute values and solve for EC.